Why don't more people talk about hiccups? They're weird, unpredictable, and totally annoying. Ever wondered why we get them? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. This causes your vocal cords to close quickly, making that classic hic sound. They can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking something fizzy, or even stress. Some scientists believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from our evolutionary past, but the truth is, we still don't fully know why they happen. Ever heard of a weird hiccup cure? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and follow for more cool facts.